Did you know that 80% of viral videos are edited using AI tools? Let's unlock the secret to creating viral YouTube shorts like a pro. Join me as I dive into creating a viral YouTube short using only AI video editing tools. Let's see if I can make something that really pops. Welcome back. In today's video, you'll discover how AI video editing can transform your YouTube shorts, making them more engaging, faster to produce, and potentially viral. Stay tuned to see which tools will take your content to the next level. As content creators, we all know the struggle of editing videos quickly without sacrificing quality. Many creators face the challenge of staying efficient while creating content that stands out and hooks viewers within seconds. How can you overcome this while keeping your edits sharp and professional? The answer could lie in AI video editing tools. Tools that not only speed up the process, but enhance your creativity. Let's explore some of the best AI video editing tools available right now. First is Pictory AI, a tool that turns your scripts or articles into engaging video content in minutes. Perfect for YouTube Shorts, as it makes editing quick and keeps your audience engaged. Next is Descript. Descript not only edits video, but also auto-transcribes, allowing you to tweak your videos by editing the text. Simple, fast, and incredibly useful for creators. Another one is Adobe Premiere Pro with Sensei, Adobe's AI-powered tool that helps automate repetitive tasks like color grading, scene detection, and object removal, saving hours of editing time. Another is Runway, with features like real-time background removal and video enhancement. Runway offers cutting-edge tools that make it easier to create stunning content without needing a ton of experience. Final one is Capwing, a versatile tool that helps creators edit and optimize videos for multiple platforms. It's ideal for trimming clips, adding text overlays, and making your videos pop. Now, let's put these tools to the test. Watch as I take some raw footage and transform it into a viral, worthy YouTube short using these AI video editors. I'll add transitions, text, music, and even AI-generated effects to make the video eye-catching. Look at how seamless this process becomes with AI. From start to finish, these tools make it easy to craft a polished short that grabs attention in just seconds. To wrap things up, AI is completely changing the game for content creators. It allows you to produce high-quality, engaging videos faster than ever. If you're not using AI to edit your YouTube shorts, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on content creation. Let me know in the comments which AI editing tool you're excited to try. And be sure to check out my other videos for more insights into YouTube growth and content creation. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.